Hello, good evening, welcome to Emotech and System Computers. Today we'll be looking on how to fix a Lenovo. This is a Lenovo Ideapad. I think the model is Lenovo Ideapad 320S and 14 KB. First and foremost, I want to see if, let me see, it seems the screen has been opened before, I don't know. Okay, let me get the charger. I think this is the port, it looks open. Okay, there's no screw, so that is why there's no screw. There's no screw to the back. I think this is the charging port. Let's see. It's actually taking 5 volts, 5 millivolts. Okay, which means it's not charging. Let me switch on. It is turning on, but it is not exceeding. Okay. $35 milliamps. Okay. I think you can see from the screen. I will want to open straight away and see what is happening. It is not turning on. So right now we are inside the computer. I want to see if we have 19 volts. Let me check. This is my multimeter. I want to see. I will stick a probe to the ground. Okay, we have 19 volts at the charging port. I want to see if we have 19 volts anywhere within the circuit to see if it is present. There's 19 volts present here, which means we have 19 volts. Let me try on another capacitor. 19 volts is present, which means it is present. What do I check now? Let me check the 3.3 volts. Oh, I will make a call. I will stop this video and make a call. Okay, before I stop the video to pick a call, I did stop the video to pick a call, and we are confirming we have 19 volts present. You can see from my multimeter 19 volts 21, which is right. What I want to check now is if we have 3 volts. Yeah, I think we should have 3 volts because it is responding to the on button, so which means there's 3 volts. Okay, I'm going to check some other things, some random check at various on various power stages. Let me go on if we have any short first here. Okay, I think it is good here. It seems to have no, there's no short. There's no short. There's no short there. There's no short here. 7 ohms here. I think it is good. 9 ohms here. I think it is good. Here it is good also. 39 ohms. 17. I think everything seems good. What I'm going to see now, I think I have to, let me reset the BIOS, take off the battery. I'll take off the battery and see. Let me take out the battery and see if it is. I am suspecting I did fix some of this some time ago. Yeah? So I did took off the battery, and I'm going to see and switch on again and see what we will have, if it's going to turn on. Let me fix in the BIOS battery. I am suspecting a BIOS related issue. It's not suspicion. We are free to make some suspicion on repairs. Let's look at it is trying to turn on and goes off. I'm suspecting a corrupt BIOS. This has nothing to do with the EC chip. What I will do, I'm going to look for the BIOS file and reprogram, because I don't know what is wrong here. So let me go straight to that. Oh, there's even no memory, but that does not matter. Let me put the memory. It's a DDR4, and let's see. I don't think the memory has a problem to do with turning on, because it's not taking power. It goes up to about 120 and turns off. I want to try by programming the BIOS and see what we have. Okay. What I will do, I'm going to take out where's my BIOS programmer? This is my BIOS programmer. ACH134125, I don't know. Let me come under the microscope and take out the BIOS. I think we are under the microscope now. This is the BIOS chip, I guess. Yeah, let's look at the BIOS chip here. It looks good. Okay, the BIOS chip is out. This is the BIOS chip is out. It is out. It is out. You can see. So I'm going to program the BIOS. Take off the microscope and let me allow it to cool down. It's hot. I'll come under the microscope again so I can see. My eyes are not too good. Okay. Let me come under the microscope to what is happening with my microscope here. Yeah, I think no. It goes to the side that has A. I'm having some flash on my microscope. I don't know what is that. I think it's okay. I think it is okay. I'll take us now to the BIOS programmer. I've already downloaded. I think I have a copy of this file. I'm just trying to be a little bit what do I say? Let me take you to, hold on please, let me take you to, okay, BIOS programmer. I think we are not there yet. Okay. What am I having? It seems the BIOS is blank. Okay. We have the BIOS chip here. What I'm going to do now, let me see how I can get you to see the BIOS. Okay, this is the BIOS programmer. I'm going to open, I think I have a copy of, this is the Lenovo BIOS here. Yeah, I'm going to write it now. Let me erase. This BIOS look empty, or somebody erased it. Let me erase. I'm erasing the BIOS. Let me erase. Okay. I'm going to program the BIOS now. I'm going to write. What is happening? Something is not working fine here. Okay. Okay. Start programming. See, something is not right. Something is not right. Something is not right. Something is not right. Let me see what is not right. It seems my okay, now I think it was not properly connected. Now, okay, it is, I think now it is okay. I'm going to open a BIOS file and let's write to it and see. Start programming. It is writing. I'm just trying. I suspect a BIOS failure because everything seems to be okay. Actually, I bought this board from a second-hand shop and so it is programming. I will have to stop the video because of so that we don't waste a lot of time and start when it is completely programmed. Okay. So we are close to the end of the programming. I did stop the video and restarted it so that I don't waste our time that much. I think it is fully programmed. We might want to verify, but I don't think it's necessary. Let's verify chip. Oh, nothing. And what do I have to do? I said I think it's not because the chip looks blank. I just want to see how I can get the board to turn on. So I'm taking out the. Let me go under the microscope again. And see if we are able to get it turned on. Okay. What is happening? I'm not able to. I'm gonna use this to fix in the BIOS chip, and so we can turn on. I don't know what is wrong with the microchip. Here is the BIOS chip. You can fix it here. If you don't mind, I will show you as soon as I'm done with it. Okay. I just saw that in the BIOS. I want to ensure it is properly soldered. Okay, so I will allow it to my microscope just got cooked. I don't know why. Let me check again and see. I don't know what is the pull of the microscope. Maybe it got hot. I don't know. Okay, I think it's not okay. I think it's not okay. I think the BIOS has been well fixed in. Let me focus to show you the BIOS. Okay, pretty good. It is still hot. Let's allow the board to cool down. Do you have any cooling pad? I think I have some here. Let me take some of this cooling pad to cool down the board. To cool down. I don't want to see if it will have a BIOS problem, and that's it. I think it's already cooled down. Let me test and see if we are going to get image. The problem I have is getting an image. It's turning on the board. If it turns on, therefore we know. I think it's still on 6, and I'm going to switch on. It's still the same thing. Okay. Okay, it is turning on. Turn off. Turn on again. And turn off. See, there's something that is not working fine. We try to reprogram the BIOS again. Let me see. Back to the microscope. What is happening? Everything is just getting funny. Microscope just freezing and freezing. I'm going to take out again the BIOS chip and the program. I think it's out. Okay, I think we have some issue. Yeah. Not responding, which means something is not right. Not responding. Not responding. Why? What is wrong? There's something wrong with the okay now. Okay, we can select any of these. It seems empty. Search. I'm going to stop the videos and finish the programming. What I did after switching up the video is to actually try to use another BIOS programmer, which is the EZP219. Let's see what is going to happen. I'm going to erase. Okay, I want to reprogram the same BIOS file, this one, and let me write I always tend to trust at times some of this EZP219 than the other one because of some experience I've gotten in the past. So we are programming the BIOS. Okay, I think it is complete. Let me try to verify and see. Verifying the programming and to see if it's okay, then we can now retest, because I cannot tell you actually what went wrong. I cannot tell you what went wrong. We are still programming. This is the programmer. It is verifying. This is an EZP 219 I'm using, so it is verifying. After that, we will try again and see. I did use this one at the first, and I suspected some error why it could not verify. I don't know why. This is the CH341A. It used to be a very good one, but I don't know what actually happened. So I'm just trying to wait to see. Okay, thing verified complete. I'm gonna take it out now, and so we can get it back on the board. Okay, let me see. I'm just getting some problems today from my microscope. Okay, it is okay. Let's fix in the BIOS. Let me take out the BIOS battery. Okay. Ensure that it is well fixed. I think it is so nice. It looks firm. I just want to cool out the heat from the board. I strongly have a suspicion that this is an empty BIOS that came along with this computer, but it's still hot. Okay, that's it. I want to test now and see. I take out the microscope. Let me connect the BIOS battery. Charger, and let's see again what happens. Our current is T6, and I'm going to try again, switch on. I think it has just turned on 380, 400, and okay, I think we are turning on. Fan is spinning. That is good. I'm going to take off, and let me try to put a memory and see if we have picture or if we have an image. I don't know. But for me, I did observe that the screen is not good also. we have image. We have image. It turned off and it is turning on. We have image. So actually it was a BIOS problem. What I'm going to do, I think I don't have this screen, but I'm going to try with an alternative screen and see if it's going to work. Okay, let me take off this screen. I just suspected that something that is not right. Yeah. Where's my screwdriver? Yeah. I saw that the screen is not good. I think we just have only two screens. The screen looks replaced before now, I think so. You know, it's out of curiosity. I thought it might be a BIOS problem because actually everything look right. Let me get, I don't have a small screen, but I think we can be able to test it with a larger screen. In some cases this is not advisable. But I don't want to be sure that we have image. Okay, this was all I wanted. Put in the charger. It is about 5 milliamps. Then it's turning on. Oh, we have image. Come and see. It's working. It is working. We have bad screen. Actually, our problem was corrupted or failed BIOS program. Let us see if it is charging also. Where is the battery? I took off the battery the other time. Okay, here is the battery. I think I saw the screws here. I'm going to look for an hard disk and see if it's going to load Windows. I think I have one hard disk that has program here. Let me put this hard disk and see if it's going to load Windows. Then I will know we have little or no problems. Let me probably fix the battery connector. Okay, yeah, well connected. Okay, let's go and see. It is 10 milliamps. So the battery is charging. You can see it has risen to 958 milliamps, which means it is charging. And let me turn on and see. It is turning on. So it is charging 1.5 and 1.4, 1.5 it is charging, and it is loading the Windows. It's loading the Windows. So actually our problem was a corrupted BIOS. So if you have a computer and it is reading the on button and all power stages are okay, or there is no shorted or irregular or short to ground in any of the power stages, the inductors, therefore you know you might be having a software issue. So it is on and it is working. So our problem is the BIOS issue and probably changing the screen. And I want to stop this video because it took me some time after I had the failed problem with the initial BIOS programmer. So I had to use this one to get it right. This is just an EZP219 and it worked for me. I had to. It is better you have alternative programmers so that in case there are at times when some fail. Let me see if the battery is charging. I think it's charging. Yeah, it is charging. It is charging. It is charging. And I think the battery is charging. Let me take off. The battery is okay. It's good. So I will stop the video here. Thanks for watching. Please do share, subscribe to my channel so you can get more of my video and other classes. Thank you and have a nice day.